Product name: KODAK Slide End Scan Film and Slide Scanner with large 5-inch LCD screen. The KODAK Mobile Film Scanner is a device that allows you to scan and save old 35mm films and slides using your smartphone camera. It is portable, collapsible, and easy to use. You just need to download the free KODAK app and choose the type of film you are scanning. The app will automatically convert the negatives into positives and let you edit and share the photos. Some of the pros of this product are: it is affordable and convenient compared to other film scanners or photo labs. It is compatible with most smartphones and operating systems. It is fun and nostalgic to rediscover your old memories and bring them to the digital age. Some of the cons of this product are: the quality of the scans depends largely on your smartphone camera and the lighting conditions. You may need to adjust the zoom, focus, and exposure manually to get the best results. The app is buggy and has limited editing features. You may need to use other apps or software to enhance the photos further. The scanner is made of cardboard and may not be very durable or stable. You need to be careful when handling the film and the scanner. In conclusion, the KODAK Mobile Film Scanner is a good option for casual users who want to scan their old films and slides quickly and easily. It is not meant for professional or high-quality scanning, but rather for preserving and sharing your memories with your friends and family. The price of this product is $129.99 on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.